Hello student, today we are going to study overview of cell structure. Cells are the smallest living unit of an organism. All cells have three components in it, no matter what type of they are: cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. All cells have cell membrane which separate the inside of the cell from its outer environment. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid. It also contains many specialized cell organelles. Large region of each cell enclosed by the cell membrane. Nucleus, it is containing a genetic material, DNA. There are two broad categories of cell. They are eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell, they have well-defined nuclear region and it is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. And membrane-bound cell organelles are present, that is nucleus. They found in plants, animals and amoeban cell. Prokaryotic cells, they are undefined nuclear region and containing only nucleic acid, that is called nucleoid. Membrane-bound cell organelles are absent. Eukaryotic cells are always in one cell, that is unicellular organism. Example, bacteria. What are cell organelles? Organelles means little organs. Organelles are the special part of cell. Each of these organelles perform a specific function from the cell. They are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastid, vacuoles and nucleus. Let us start with nucleus. It is a controlled center of the cell. It contains genetic material, that is DNA. DNA detects what the cell going to do and how is going to do it. It has a double layer covering called nuclear membrane and it has pores. Chromatin found inside the nuclear membrane. When a cell is ready to divide, chromatin material gets organized into chromosomes. A nucleus also contains nucleolus, where ribosomes are made. After ribosomes leave the nucleus, these ribosomes are manufacturing proteins. Outside the nucleus, ribosomes and rest of the organelles float around in cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like substance. Ribosomes moves freely in cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulums are two types, that is a rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth one, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are attached to it. Second one, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosome doesn't attach to it. Smooth ER helps in manufacture of fat or lipid molecules. Ribosomes are the site of protein manufacturing, that is a protein factory. Endoplasmic reticulums are the membrane enclosed organelles which transporting materials such as protein synthesized by ribosomes. Proteins and other material emerge from endoplasmic reticulum in small vesicle, that is Golgi apparatus or Golgi complexes. Endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane-bound tubes and sheets. Other organelles we'll study in the next session. Thank you.